Oh, wait, it's working. What? Come on. Okay, so this is kind of day 2 of me building a LinkedIn infographic generator using vibe coding. The initial product, I will call it, look like this because I have not published this change yet. There we go. So my initial vibe coding effort, pretty basic, but you could basically put a title and a subtitle, put your name in as an author. You can see a very basic template that they all kind of look the same. Basically put in the pillars of your infographic. So it might be like, create compelling content. Why does this always happen when you do it live? So then what I did was I came up with a prompt after working through a bunch of other problems to connect the schedule properly. I got to publish all these changes now. And I said, I took like 10 examples of LinkedIn infographics that I liked. And I said, let's create templates out of them. And what I did is I went to Grok in this case and asked it to kind of break down what each of those templates were in words. So it kind of defined them and described how those layouts would look. And then what changed. So basically I asked it through a prompt to update so that we added a template layout feature. So it looks like it replaced that prior one, which was just like this, kind of nondescript, modern, classic, and minimal with these more detailed layouts. And I guess what we're going to see is how this works. So generate the infographic. It looks the same. It's not, so.
Yeah, listen. We f***ed up.
Account. And yeah, this looks identical. So that's kind of weird. So what I need to say is I tried to create a new infographic using a layout template, and the result does not follow the layout of the template. Make it so all when chosen by the user. Let's see what it does. My typos are crazy. I wonder what it needs to do this. The idea is great. Now he's got to fix it. So this was its game plan. Let's see if it actually succeeded. I've completely redesigned the template rendering system. Let's see if it's true. Dynamic canvas highlights. So also, this keeps defaulting to Sonnet 4.5, which is driving me nuts because 4.5 sucks in my opinion so far. It's not as good as Opus. It keeps saying, oh, you're going to use a lot more tokens. I don't care. I just want this to work because you're going to use more tokens by not getting what you want. So I'm highly skeptical if this solved it just because I don't trust Sonnet 4.5, and I'm going to switch to Opus going forward. How about all this? Let's see. I just want the information to go in the right boxes. So I'm kind of curious. I don't think I have a way. I have to create a way to edit and the tone. I'm going to call this 5 ways to automate your business with Salesforce. If it did what it claimed to do, absolutely not really. Sort of. So it put the subtitle in. Obviously, it did create 2 columns, but is this really different? I don't know if it is. Yeah, that's exactly it. All right, so let's create another one. And then I'm curious if, we'll have to probably improve the prompt to create the actual post itself. Oh, wait, it's working. What? Come on. So like this other stuff is actually more about branding and colors, but this looks like it's working.